Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War 3 on Xbox One online. First, it is important to know that Gears of War 3 is fully backward compatible, meaning your Xbox One can play it. To access online features, you will need an active Xbox Live Gold subscription. Also, make sure your Xbox One has a strong and stable internet connection, ideally wired, for the best online experience. Once you have your Xbox Live Gold ready, you can install the game. If you own a physical copy, simply insert the disc into your Xbox One console. For digital owners, find Gears of War 3 in your game library and begin the download. The console will automatically install the game and download any required updates, which are crucial for online functionality. After installation and updates are complete, launch Gears of War 3 from your Xbox One dashboard. Once in the game's main menu, navigate to the multiplayer section. From there, you will typically see an option to select Xbox Live or Online Multiplayer. Choose this to connect to the game's servers and begin searching for matches with other players. If you encounter any issues playing online, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, verify your Xbox One's network connection is stable and strong. Sometimes, a quick restart of your Xbox One console can resolve minor connectivity glitches. Finally, always double-check that your Xbox Live Gold subscription is active and has not expired, as this is a common reason for online access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.